Alhamdulillah, my body is rested and my mind is clear. Alhamdulillah, I start my day with positive thoughts and energy. Alhamdulillah, I am relaxed, non-resistant, and clear. Alhamdulillah, my day unfolds with ease and grace. Alhamdulillah, people support me throughout the day. Alhamdulillah, the universe supports my desires today. Alhamdulillah, I am open to receiving greatness. Alhamdulillah, I am energized and inspired. Alhamdulillah, creative possibilities are available to me. Alhamdulillah, nothing holds me back. Alhamdulillah, I take action with faith and clarity. Insha'Allah, today is a great day. Insha'Allah, I'm having fun today. Insha'Allah, I bring joy to others today. Insha'Allah, I'm a positive influence in the world today. Alhamdulillah, all is well. Have a beautiful, blessed day.